Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take you home science class, and our today's topic is chapter 8, creative questions 1 and 2. So let's start our class. Students, please look at the board. At first we have to read the questions. Okay, just look, this is picture 1, milk, egg, rice, meat, and this is picture 2. Okay, ghee, butter, coconut, and this is mustard oil. Okay, these are two pictures, picture 1 and picture 2. So the first question is, what is vitamin? Number B question is, what is the importance of digestive system? Number C, what functions are done by the food in picture 1? Number D, if the foods in picture 2 are taken less in amount than necessary, it may have harmful impact on human body. Do you agree? Give reason in favor of your answer. So this is the first question. So at first, and this is the second question, that Tanha is restless in nature. She is 10 years old. She has recovered from the fever 2 to 3 days ago, but now she cannot study. She lies most of the time in a day, most of the time of a day in bed. Her mother gives her plenty of milk, pudding, vermicelli, liver, lentils to eat. So the question is, what is digestion? Number B, why does diarrhea cause dehydration? Which nutrients do the foods given to Tanha by her mother consist of? Number D, how far are the foods useful for Tanha given by her mother to recover from her present condition? Explain. So at first we will learn the first question answer. So the creative question 1, the first question is, what is vitamin? So this is the answer. A number is, vitamins are different kinds of biochemical compounds which commonly exist in food. Number B, what is the importance of digestive system? Digestive system is of great importance in many ways. All types of food are digested and absorbed through different biochemical processes without which not a single organ can work. It supplies different nutrients to different organs, and in the way they can perform their own activities. Now number C. Number C is, what functions are done by the food in picture 1? That means here, these foods. Number C, picture 1 represents milk, eggs, rice and meat. These 4 food items contain carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Now we shall mention each of their functions in brief. So at first, protein. So what is the function of protein? What are the functions of protein? Growth of the body, producing energy, disease prevention. Students, just a minute, it will be disease, D-I-S-E-A-S-E. So just one spelling mistake here. So this is, it will be disease prevention. Okay. Now carbohydrate, energy supply, maintaining body temperature. Now go to the next one here, fat. So what are the functions of fat? Supplying heat and energy, dissolving vitamins A, D, E and K. Now vitamins, resisting and curing diseases, invigorating the nervous system, accelerate the formation of blood cells. Now this is minerals, building and protecting bone and teeth and blood cells, helping to make hormone, controlling internal body mechanism. Okay, now number D. If the foods in picture 2 are taken less in amount than necessary, it may have harmful impact on human body. Do you agree? Give reason in favor of your answer. So the answer of number D is yes. I agree with the statement Our body needs different food elements, not in the same but in different amounts. An amount less than necessity as well as more than necessity causes a number of disorders. Picture 2 consists of ghee, butter, coconut and edible oil. They are fatty substances or lipids. If these are taken less in amount, it will cause deficiency in calorie and fat soluble vitamins, skin disease, decrease of body temperature, ill preservation of internal organs and damage of cell walls of all the organs. Okay. So now we will start question number 2. So question number 2, the first question is, what is digestion? Students, look here, this is the answer. Number A, digestion is the biochemical process in which all the food items get broken into tiny particles ready to be absorbed and transported to different organs of the body. Now question number B, why does diarrhea cause dehydration? Number B, dehydration means a significant decrease of water in the body. Diarrhea causes dehydration because the body lacks not only water but also salt. Salt has the capacity of maintaining necessary levels of water in the body. When the body lacks salt, water is excreted in plenty, causing dehydration. Now number C, which nutrients do the foods given to Tanha by her mother consist of? Number C, this is the answer. Tanha's mother gives her milk, pudding, vermicelli, liver and lentils. In a sense, pudding is a milk product. It often contains eggs also. Now let us find what the items consists of. Milk, calcium, vitamin A and D, protein and fat. Pudding, calcium, vitamins A, D, E and B complex, protein, carbohydrate, fat and a few minerals. Vermicelli, carbohydrate and sucrose. Liver, protein, iron, iodine, vitamin E and fat. Lentils, protein. This is from here. I need to write this, vitamin E and fat. Lentils, protein. Now number D. How far are the foods useful for Tanha given by her mother to recover from her present condition? Explain. So number D. The food items given to Tanha by her mother are very useful in Tanha's recovery from her present condition. The items contain almost all the food elements: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. This will give her energy and resisting capacity, maintain normal body temperature and invigorate her nervous system. She will overcome her present condition in at best a week. And students, just look, this is your HW for vacation and this is chapter 8, CQ number 1, C. Okay, this is your HW for vacation. And you have to submit your HW on 29th May. Okay, students? Okay, students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.